Start by gently pushing back your cuticles using a wooden stick. Use a cuticle pusher to remove dead skin. Proceed to file the surface of our nails. Continue filing until the nail surface is completely matte. Use an alcohol pad to clean off any dust from the nail surface. Select a jelly adhesive that matches the size of your nail. Place it about 1 mm from the cuticle. You can use a wooden stick as a tool. Smooth out any air bubbles by pushing from the center towards the edges. Then apply the press-on nail. Press the edges of the nail tip onto the adhesive, then push it towards the cuticle. Then press downwards. Press for 10 seconds. They are done. Stay water-free for 6 hours. This way, the press-on nails will be long-lasting.